Hello, I'm Syed Ahmad Farhan. My job is basically I'm a project engineer, and also sometimes I go to site, so I'm also site engineer. So CTI give me a lot of experience lah with the software. I learn a lot this training because the lectures they give me a step-by-step training lah, so I can configure the SCADA using the software, and any problems the lecturers can troubleshoot right away and help me a lot. Yes, I would recommend this training to others to learn here. It's a very good training center, good facility and good module for the SCADA software.